Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2019 Kia Rio 5 LX Plus in Hyper Blue. Starting at the front here, we have automatic headlights, as well as a stylish front grille and front bumper. Moving on here, the Rio comes equipped with 15-inch steel wheels with covers, as well as anti-lock brakes. This model also includes power heated side view mirrors, keyless entry, and both front and rear splash guards. Looking toward the rear now, we have a rear window defroster and a spacious cargo area with a tire mobility kit. Some of the safety features with this model include electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, and a total of 6 airbags. Moving on inside now, the LX Plus features a nice cloth interior with 60/40 folding rear seats, power windows and locks, and a 4-speaker sound system. Looking toward the front now, we have adjustable front headrests, a 6-way adjustable driver's seat, and air conditioning. This model also features heated front seats and a heated steering wheel mounted with both audio and cruise controls. Some other great features include AM, FM, MP3, and Sirius XM satellite radio, along with Bluetooth wireless technology and both USB and auxiliary input ports. The Rio also includes a Rearview Camera on a 5-inch display. Heading under the hood now, we have a 1.6-liter GDI 4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission and 130 horsepower.